After the Tripura High Court has termed inaccurate to the state government's claim that it had covered 98% of the 45 plus age group and 80% of the eligible population with the first dose of COVID-19 vaccination and directed it to issue a clarification by the state immunization department. Hearing a suo motu case on this state's pandemic preparation, a division bench of the High Court comprising Chief Justice Akhil Qureshi and Justice Shubhashish Talapatra had directed the Tripura National Health Mission Director, who put out the numbers around a week ago, to issue a press statement with accurate vaccination figures. Based on the directives of the High Court, Dr. Siddharth Shiv Jaiswal, the Mission Director of National Health Mission, addressing a press conference, said that as on Sunday, a total of 27,05,506 doses of COVID vaccines has been administered to the targeted people of the state. Among them, 20,58,044 persons were administered with the first dose of the vaccine and 6,47,462 persons were given doses of second doses of COVID vaccine. The total first dose administered to 78.43% of total eligible population more than 18 years of age and 24.67% of total eligible populations were administered with second doses of vaccine, said Dr. Jaiswal.
Sources के अकॉर्डिंग जो टोटल एलिजिबल पॉपुलेशन हमारे स्टेट में है इन द स्टेट ऑफ त्रिपुरा इज 26.24 lakhs. That is total population of 14.19 lakh minus the population in the age category 0 to 18, that is 13.95. It comes to 26.24 lakh. Now the percentage of 18 to 44 years population out of total eligible population. That means जो हमारा 18 प्लस का पॉपुलेशन है, एलिजिबल पॉपुलेशन 26.24 है, उसमें से कितना परसेंट 18 to 44 ने कवर किया है और कितना परसेंट 45 प्लस एज कैटेगरी में किया है. तो 18 to 44 इयर्स पॉपुलेशन एज कैटेगरी में.
Giving the details of the vaccination drive in the state starting from 16 January 2021 for healthcare workers and phase 2 of the vaccination drive that has started for the frontline warriors from 5th February 2021 last. He said that a total of 53,651 healthcare workers were given the first dose and 39,819 among them were also given the second doses of vaccine with 74.21%, whereas 96,604 persons among the frontline warriors were given the first dose and 56,012 among them were given the second doses of vaccine with 57.98%. Based on the data collected from the population projections for India and state from 2001 to 2026, the Office of Registrar General and Census Commission, the state have total projected population of 40.19 lakh till March 1st, 2021, said Dr. Jaiswal. As per the data of the Union Government, the state have population of 0 to 18 years of age is 13.95 lakh and the estimated population of above 18 years of age is 26.24 lakh, which has been targeted for vaccination. In the third phase of vaccination drive for above 45 years of age group, which started from 1st March 2021, the state has targeted a population of 9,94,000 and till date a total of 9,96,804 persons of the targeted group have been administered with the first dose of vaccine, which has 100.28%, said Dr. Jaiswal, and added that among the people above 45 years of age, second dose of the vaccine has been given to 5,34,504 persons with 53.93%. Similarly, as per census data, the state have 16,30,000 population under the age group of 18 to 44 years and till date among them a total of 9,10,985 persons were administered with the first dose of vaccine with 55.88%, and among the targeted population only 14,124 persons were given the second doses of COVID vaccine with 1.55%, and all of them are administered with Covaxin. The 84 days schedule for second doses of Covishield are pass so far among the 9,10,985 people who are given Covishield vaccine. Dr. Jaiswal added that on May last, the department had filed the affidavit before the High Court and that was correct as per knowledge available with them at that particular point of time. Then we have done some brainstorming on the target population on our state. We took out the report of the Census of India and UIDAI and then we have achieved the target, which collaborates with the target fixed by the Government of India, and accordingly, we will submit the counter affidavit before the High Court of Tripura, said Dr. Siddharth Shiv Jaiswal. He also added that till Sunday, the state have a stock of 2,18,110 vaccine doses and 22,000 more vaccine doses are in pipeline. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.